2500 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Sorry for the late start. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Sorry for the late start. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Of course, we're ripping to the upside right at market open. Of course. Recovering this huge downtrend. Pandas! Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How do I do this? I can't see anything. There it is. All right. I've been I tried to do a couple of test streams last night. You guys probably wondering what the heck was happening. I was trying to get this overlay to work. So you guys can read the chat while we stream here. Nah, I mean, Panis. I'm guessing the best place to put it is here. I don't know. What's a good place to put it? I'm guessing this is the best place to put it. Or here? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it here.
2500 tick trap.
Pandas, there's so many things to talk about. So many things to talk about. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Pandas, today is the day. We will get it. We will get it today, Pandas. The top left of your screen, you can see that we already made on some accounts. We're already at max payouts, but there's 11 accounts. There's some disparity between my accounts. Super frustrating. Super annoying. I can't tell you how frustrating it is, but because the trade copier messed up, we have to trade these separately. So today's stream, our goal is to make $2,000 from here. Pandas! Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining. Fail second entry long. Or second entry long here, but beneath the 20 MA. Can't take that trade. Coming off our trend line, though. Beautiful trade coming off our trend line. Maybe a higher low here would be nice because you can't take this long because you're beneath the trend line, but if we get a higher low, that could be better here. Can't take this short because of this trend line in the way. Let's see here. Beneath the trend line, or beneath the 20 MA still, due to signal bar. Now we're breaking beneath the 20 MA. Maybe that trap was the trade. I don't know. I don't know. Breaking above again. This one's a tough. This one's a doozy. Pandas! Today is the day, Pandas. We got some volatility early on. As you can see at top left, we made our max payouts on about 9 of our accounts. The first account and the bottom 8 have max payouts, but the 11 in the middle, 11 accounts in the middle, there's some disparity, and I cannot tell you how frustrating it is, but that's currently the situation. We gotta trade. We gotta do better here. The trade copier messed up, and so created this huge disparity between my accounts. And now I have some accounts that are max payouts and some accounts that are about 2,000 away. I guess I can still get $1,000 payouts on these, most of these accounts. We're gonna try here though. We're gonna try. Okay, we're still in this channel. Could not go long there. Could not go long here. Right beneath the 20 EMA as well. I wanted to go long, but no setup for a strong bull bar ending on its high. Got previous day's low as a key area here. Okay, pushing back down. Right, big bull bar, then big bear bar. Retracing this entire bull bar. Right, making this bull bar basically nullifies it. Small, small trading, 2-bar trading range. That's where we're at. A lower high here could be an okay trade, but there's not much room to the 20 EMA. I'm thinking we're going to touch the 20 EMA on the 2,500 tick. Trap fails on a 2,500 tick. Could be a big drop down here. Could be a big old droppy-do. Fingers! Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Ram Tawars. At this point, I think Trump has given his social media to some stock trader. He's doing the same as 2000's top and bottom. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely a possibility there. Whoa. Lots of overlapping bars here. Little sus. We'll try, though. With one contract. I'm not too ecstatic about this trade. Right, we got like so many overlapping bars here. Retracing a lot more than I would like it to for me to enter short. Right, too many overlapping bars here. We're just sitting on our paws. Wait for this doo-doo caca to clear up. Pandas, we're going to be absolutely focused. We need to make $2,000 from here. Basically, we got to end the day plus 1,500. More or less. Plus 1,500, more or less. We got to end the day. And that's what we're trying to do here, Pandas. Big push down. Breaker trend, new low. Second entry long setting up on the 2,500 tick. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if we're bullish or bearish here. We couldn't close beneath the 20 EMA.
2,500 tick trap.
We filled this gap. We still got this huge gap here, of course. Second entry long, 20 EMA, bad signal bar. I don't love it. I don't love it. Okay. Looks kind of bearish, but come back into our trading range up here. Nice looking signal bar to go short. Strong bear bar anyhow is low. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I just thought we had issues here because we're on the 20 EMA on the 2,500 tick. And I thought it would just act as support. So hard to just go short there. In my opinion, if it, I don't know. Looks like makes a new low. All right, fair enough. Now I'm looking for a fail second entry long on the 2,500 tick. Could take some time to develop. Fail second entry long. Basically this. A, B, C, A, and then reverse down. This is what I'm looking for now at this point. right? 2 pushes up. We have 2 legs up here, basically. 1, 2 legs up. And then looking for a reversal here. I'm not sure if we're going to get it, though. I mean, we just have to wait. Just going to have to wait here a little bit. I love the movement, though. I love the volatility. Today, finally, of all days, I would say probably today is the best day of volatility we've had in the last 3 weeks. Finally. And it came with Trump basically saying he's going to tariff Apple. And Apple, you know, the Nasdaq is heavy tech, so greatly affects it. All right, we're going to wait for our setup here. I think it's very clear what we're waiting for. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. Look for a nice push down here. Let's see if we can get it. Could not break the previous candle's high, right? We first need that in order to trigger our fail second entry long. 7 or 6 overlapping bars in a row. 5 overlapping bars in a row. Just waiting for a better setup. If this continues to go down, it is what it is. It's just not much you can do about it. But I'm waiting for my setup here. Absolutely waiting for my setup. I'm going to be patient today. Right, today's goal is plus 1,500. We're going to get these accounts back to plus 1,500. But can't force anything. Cannot force anything. I'm just saying I'm so focused right now. I'm not gonna enter dumb trades. Okay. Makes a lower high. Feels obviously like it's going down. 5 minute. We're coming back to the open. Today's open. We're back at today's open. Are we gonna break the low of the day? We're gonna break the low of the day. Are we gonna break the low of the week? That's crazy. It's actually crazy. Breaking the low of the week. Okay, might get our setup here. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. It's setting itself up for it, so we'll see. 2500 tick, fail second entry long. Coming off our trend line, this could just bounce up here, maybe. Almost triggers. But almost is not good enough. I need to actually trigger. I need to actually trigger here when we got like 10 overlapping bars in a row, especially. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars in a row. Sitting on a pause, waiting for a better setup. Pandas. Let me know where you want me to put the chat overlay. Let me know where I should put the chat overlay. Put it in the chat. I'm just putting next to the rhythmic, but I don't know if that's the best place. We have triggered the second entry long here. We are going to go on a S tier type setup. Going to go short here, but man, oh man, I don't want an outside bar reversal. I sure don't. I sure don't want an outside bar reversal. I sure doodly don't. Nice signal bar first entry, actually. Not bad. That in itself is not a bad trade. Let's see here. We'll be patient, though. We're being patient. Mega patient today because we're so close to max payouts on 20 accounts. We have it on 9 of them, pandas. Above my head at the bottom of the rhythmic. Okay. Let me see. Our setup's almost about to trigger. I'm going to wait for a second here. Okay. Okay, second entry short might be good enough for me, to be honest. High or low? High or low, popping up. This is why we are so patient for our setup. Doesn't really happen, right? We're looking for that fail second entry long. Doesn't really happen. Strong bull bar, in fact, here. 5 minute, maybe looking for another leg up. Right, bouncing off the open. Jeez, what a strong move up. Silly, 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 silly. Come all the way back down. The issue with this trade is the risk is huge and the signal bar is bad. And then we'll probably be inside this channel. That's the issue with this short now. With such a strong bull bar ending on its high. Boy, oh boy. Feels like I just short here on the 500 tick. Do I like this trade? I guess. Okay trade. Maybe missing okay trade here, but it's an outside bar reversal, so I'm not too upset about it. I hate outside bar reversals. Jeez. I don't love it. I just kind of like it. So I'm going to take it with a 1 contract. I don't love it. I'll take it with 1. Quite a strong push down. Very strong push down. Huge risk. Like, we're talking about, like, ultra mega risk here. Like, the risk of risk here. This is just definition of risk. That's a risky trade. I'm going 2 now. Might be one of those trades I got to get in early. Nope. Sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause. Look at that. That's why you wait for the setup. That is absolutely why you wait for the setup, pandas. That is sick. So sick. It goes 1 tick away from triggering my setup here. And it reverses up insanely high. Insanely high. Now we have 3 overlapping bars. Makes me really not want to take this trade now. Make it like an S tier to a like C tier at this point. Jeez. Turning into like a limit order market where we got like 4 or 5 overlapping bars in a row. Jeez, that's crazy. This market is up to no good. This market is surely up to no good here. That was wild. Big down, big up. Big down, big up. But here's this big up, big down, big up. Jeez. Okay. Whatever you say. I just trade the price action that's in front of me. What can I, oof. Oof. It does trigger the fail second entry long, but man, you're talking about so many overlapping bars in a row now. Jeez Louise. So many overlapping bars in a row now. Oh boy. Please get off my screen. Oh my gosh. I can't. Okay. Whew. We're good. I was looking for a fail second entry long here. Might be a good setup. It's an OI pattern here. This could move without me. Bye bye. It's okay. It's okay. I had some serious concerns in that trade. Serious concerns in that trade. We got a double top at this point. Serious concerns about this trade, but double top. You know, if we can close beneath this neckline, then possibly could be confirmation to go short. Okay. Ugly looking trade, but I gotta try. Ugly looking trade, but I gotta try here, in my opinion. Lots of big wicks here, but I'm gonna try anyways. Strong reversal up, perhaps. I could not close beneath this neckline. Whoo, that's a lot of risk you gotta hold here. That's a whole lot of risk you're holding here. Too rich for my blood. Jeez Louise. So sick. So sick. Almost just want to go long there. Wow. That is crazy. I don't know what's happening here, pandas. Big trading range here. Very confusing. Very confusing here. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Man, oh man, oh man. Like, you reversed that. Very disappointing. I don't know. Lower highs, lower lows. I could try here, but I don't know. I don't love anything here. I really don't love anything here. I don't love it. Okay. Maybe it made its decision here. Stops me out. Am I still in a trade or is it out? Okay. So. All right. I mean, good signal bar, lower highs, lower lows. Thought possibly we can push down further, but it just rips up and takes me out. That could be like the confirmation for bulls to jump in, right? Where this trade should have gone down, just goes right back up. Big risk you're holding here, though. Okay, lower highs, lower lows still, possibly. Still a possibility here. All right, we'll try here. Small risk. Ugly signal bar. Small risk, but ugly signal bar. I just don't like the fact that failed here. We're consolidating. Too confusing for me. Too confusing for me. Too confusing for me. I think a $2,000 loss is probably my max. I'll stop at $2,000 loss. OII pattern about to happen on the 5-minute chart, right? OII pattern here. That could be the setup we're waiting for. Man, I feel like I gotta try this though. I feel like I gotta try this. Second interest short here. All right, this trap triggers. This trap fails. I don't think it'll fail, but if it fails, I'll try to reverse it. I don't know. Looks a little bullish to me now. I don't know. This feels a little bullish to me. I don't know what it is, but it feels a little bullish to me. This feels bullish to me. I don't know what's going on. It feels a little bullish. All right. I'm going to try on the 5-minute OII pattern. We're going to try it. $16 seconds. OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. We're going to go for it. I don't know if I could risk more than this. Probably my max risk here, but knowing today, who knows what's going to happen. I just don't feel good about it. Something's wrong here. Something's wrong here, pandas. Something's not right. I'm out. Something's not right. Something's definitely not right here. Something's not right here. We gotta wait for this consolidation to break. Like, this is too confusing for me. Way too confusing. Way too scary. Something's not right here, you know. Okay, pops back up. All right, this might be the push-up. I don't know. Nice bounce off the 20 EMA here. Could be the bounce the bulls are looking for. Something just doesn't feel right. It is an OII pattern, though, on the 5-minute chart. The only problem is there's no direction, right? The 5-minute, even though it's an OI pattern, there's no prior direction to really decide, you know, to help you with that trade. I don't know. It just feels weird. Something's not right. Yeah, this chop is too much. It's kind of the same old, same old. Okay, this could be popping up now. Maybe I should have stayed in my OII pattern, but to me, something didn't feel right, so I'm done. I'm out. If it moves, it moves. I just don't like it. If it moves, it moves. We can find another trade. I hope. Jeez, look at this price action. It's terrible. Again, it's terrible. Again and again and again and again and again. It's just so terrible. So terrible. Again and again and again. Just watching. No clue what's happening here. I'm not going to pretend I even know what's happening here. Lots of wicks. Lots of overlapping bars. Second entry long. Right at the top of a trading range. Could be a double bottom. Trying to break above this neckline. Could be that. Could just be choppiness. Who knows, pandas? But we're struggling here. Absolutely struggling here. Man, that's a $400. Jeez. Also, the candles are huge, which doesn't help us, right? It's like the candles are huge and it's super choppy. Are we finally moving up? Just had to do a lot of chop before we actually moved up. Maybe this OI pattern will work out. OII pattern, right? Outside, inside, inside. Might work out, actually, for the bulls here. Just felt so sus. Comes back down. You can still enter if you want. Two strong bull bars, any on their high. I don't know. Yeah, it's moving up. I guess that was the trade. Too scary, though. Too scary. Maybe I should just let the candle finish. Also, I don't like the amount of risk I'm holding here, right? Because you have to hold, like, 40 points of risk. That's a problem trading the higher time frames. It's just too much risk. I can't comfortably hold it. It's just how you bust your accounts. It's a tried and true way to bust your accounts. I'll tell you that. Really unfortunate, pandas, but really unfortunate, but there's disparity between my accounts. Right? Some accounts we make max payouts, right? We're at 8K. Right? About 9 of our accounts are at 8K. But you can see, like, in the middle, there's about 11 accounts that are not at 8K. Very far from 8K. About 2.5K away from 8K, which is super frustrating. Super frustrating, pandas. So frustrating. You know, it's just like when it looks like this, I can't make a confident trade. It's too choppy. Your best bet is to buy the bottom of this channel, I guess. That's your best bet. Buy at the 20 EMA. We can have a tremendous uptrend day today. Could just be that. A cup and handle type situation here. Higher time frames, easier to see that cup and handle, I guess. Right, cup, handle, and the handle actually abides by like this channel pretty nicely. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Ramping off of it. That's wild. This is really wild. Here's a neckline for the cup and handle. Again, just very choppy. Lots of overlapping bars. But with a bullish bias. Right? We're breaking new highs. We're making new highs. So sick. I'm just watching. Not much I can do here. Don't feel comfortable. Right? I don't like to trade in markets that look like this. And if we end negative $980 today, then we'll try again on Monday. And we will try to get max payouts. I'm gonna request payouts on 9 of my accounts. And I'm just gonna have to wait on the other, right? There's no reason for me to not request payouts. I mean, it's like $27,000. I mean, I'll take $27,000. $27,000 is not bad, but I want 55K. I want 55K pandas, but 27,000 not too bad just to put in the basically half the amount. We'll get that first if we have to. If we can't make it today, it's just happening different. It's unfortunate it has to be like this, but as you know, the trade copiers are not perfect and they mess up a lot, especially on an NQ. I realize it happens a lot more on the NQ because of the liquidity. The liquidity is not as much as the EMINI. So you won't get filled sometimes on your copied accounts. Okay, bouncing off this neckline. I'm guessing it's loading up. Fails against a short would be a beautiful trade here, in my opinion, for a really good risk reward. Again, lots of overlapping bars. People buying off the 20 MA, which is beautiful. Worked out beautifully there. Right? People buying off the 20 MA. People buying probably near the bottom of these bars here. They're able to scalp out. And that's what you're basically trying to do today, right? Just scalp out here. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through. I feel like we're at a resistance level. We might get our S tier set up. Maybe. Might get our S tier here. Limit order buys. Let's see if they win here. Some little order buys. Right above the 20 MA. Okay, limit order buys off the 20 MA once again. Beautiful. Okay. Lots of bears selling there. Let's see. so choppy. These bars are like overlapping the previous bars like 90% of their bodies. I hate to do it like this. I truly hate to do it like this.
$2,500 tick trap.
I hate to do it like this, but I may have to.
$2,500 tick trap. Target filled.
Filled me before I can even move my target. S tier setup, like I said, makes a 1-to-1 just blast off. The S tier setup. I tried to move my take profit, but it Ninja Trader was too slow. Ninja Trader's too slow. Like I couldn't even move it because it filled it so fast. That's the S tier setup. This is just just cup and handle. Feels like entry short. Probably gonna go back to previous day's close or low. That's what I'm thinking. I'll take it. I'll take it. Just one step closer, Pandas. One step closer. S tier setup. Are we still an uptrend? Looks like a bona fide breakout, but this pullback is quite strong for we need a confirmation on that breakout here. This is opposite of confirmation of breaking out. In fact, we hit the top of the channel here at this point. Even I can adjust it like this. The lowest point. I'll adjust it like that. Yeah, that looks better. I really don't want to stream until I can get payouts, max payouts. I don't want to end the stream until I can get max payouts. That was a 25-point move. I'll take it. High or low? Doesn't touch the 20 MA. Doesn't even trigger the high or low. Breakout? Question mark. Banners, make sure you scalp that like button. We made max payouts on 9 of our accounts. There's about 11 accounts that had disparity from the main account, which is unfortunate. So we got to trade these separately until we get to max payouts on these. And we're about little less than 2K away. It can be done, Pandas. You know what? It will be done. Let me rephrase it. It will be done. The market has time and time again has humbled me though, so we'll see. Second entry long is what I'm waiting for. Oh, I pattern on the 2500 tick. Always in long, maybe on the 5-minute. Second entry long would be tempting here. Second entry long coming off of support will be tempting here. Second entry long coming off of support would be tempting here. Okay. Actually feels and looks better this way. Doesn't actually touch support though. I actually touched the support though. So frustrating. Still doesn't touch the support. Still doesn't touch support. Now it touches support. Beautiful. Very disappointing breakout, to be honest. We're never off double key areas. Triple key areas. Triple key area trade here. We're going to attempt it. Triple key area trade, 20 EMA trend line, and also the resistance now acting as support. Triple key area. We're going to go for it. Doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay. The moment it enters, it reverses. This could be bad news. The moment it enters, it reverses. That could be bad news. Come up break even anytime. But let's see. Triple support here. Second entry long. Bad signal bar. In an uptrend. Potential breakout. Breakout retest. We lose, we lose. The risk is not too bad either. For, I think, really good reward here. We lose, we lose. I think I just got to take this trade though, right? Triple support. And trying to go long on the breakout. I think this trade is well worth it. We'll lose it. If we lose, we lose. Move on, next trade. But when you see trades like this, you got to try, in my opinion. Trap might trigger. It might be a really strong reversal. If it is, it is. I mean, my risk is very limited, right? I have a very defined risk here. I take the hit. Very defined risk, but triple support, you got to try, in my opinion. Right? You got to breakout retest, touching the neckline, coming off our trend line, also 20 MA. I'm going to try that 10 out of 10 times. You might win 8 out of 10 times. Today's not the day. Very defined risk, though, right? We just take the hit and move on. Huge potential for reward, though. Right? The risk reward there was so excellent. You got to try, in my opinion. You got to try. The risk reward there was so excellent. You got to try. Now we're reversing, breaking down possibly. Can we overshoot to undershoot? OI pattern 5-minute chart. Right, terrible follow through on that breakout. Right, in fact, that's not even follow through at all. It's a second inch short now on the 5-minute chart. Second inch short now on the 5-minute chart. Good signal bar to go short. The problem is just way too much risk. That's the main issue here. Maybe I could try with one contract. Yeah, 50-point risk. 50-point risk, but 50-point reward. More than 50-point reward. That's a tough one. That's a tough one, pandas. That's a real tough one. That's a tough one. Seriously tough here. Seriously tough. Lower high coming for a trend line here. Seriously tough. Seriously tough here. Very confusing. Oh, this is hard. Very hard. Very difficult. Goodness gracious. So sick. So incredibly sick. So incredibly difficult. The 2500 tick chart just bouncing off the 20 MA. That's all that was. My goodness. This is crazy. The market has lost its mind. I am convinced the market has absolutely just went bonkers. Whoo-wee. This is tough. This is very tough for me. I'll take a fair second to short, though. That's what I'm looking for right now. The market may blast off, though. It may not give you the setup because it's so eager to go long right now. Like, so incredibly eager to go long. It's crazy. You can feel like you're missing the boat. You can feel it happening as this goes up. You can feel the boat going further and further and further away from you. And you're just wondering, do I just jump in? Do I just jump on the boat? The answer is, of course, no. But man, oh man, how tempting is it? Do I just jump on the boat right now? Man, oh man, it's tempting. I'll tell you that much. Jump on this boat right now. It is darn tempting. Gosh darn tempting to just jump on the boat. This is about to blast off here, pandas. Get ready. It's about to blast off. Get ready. I think I just got to go long here. I got to just go long. I got to try. I just got to go long. I got to try here. In my opinion. Gosh darn if I just waited for the boat. This is too much bullishness. Like, way too much bullishness here. I got to just jump in. Let's get a decent scalp here if we can.
Target filled.
I don't know what's happening. All right, the boat is a little bit late. The boat's a little bit late, but I think we'll try. Big down, big up. Maybe trading range, actually. Man, now we're dealing with this nonsense. My goodness. This is impossible. Big bear bar, ending on slow. Big bull bar. Limit order trades being sold. Double topping now. So sick. So sick. The moment it triggered, it just reversed down though. Never like that, right? If you enter that trade, you're very disappointed. Goodness gracious, pandas. Goodness, how maximum confusion. The market's trying to kill everyone right now. The market's out to take souls. The market is out to take souls. Good morning, everyone. Michael Seymour, good morning. Day Trader, good morning. Kay, good morning. Welcome, everybody. BPCF, good morning. UIL, welcome, welcome. Ram, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. As you can see, we are max payouts on a couple of our accounts, but there's some disparity between my accounts because of the dumb trade copier. It is what it is. It's just part of the, you gotta. It's just part of the game. It's just part of it. There's no perfect trade copier out there, because there's no such thing as perfect fills. So here we are. Here we are, about 2,000 away from max payouts on all my accounts. Fail second entry long here, pandas, is an S tier setup. Double top, double fail breakouts. It's just, to me here, this is a S tier setup if we get the fail second entry long. And I think I'm just going to wait for it. Right? Here, not waiting for the boat was my mistake. I ended up skunking it, but if I just waited for the boat, I would have realized, well, I guess I would have lost this trade because that's crazy. That's crazy that I did that. Hoo-wee! Are we going to get it? Are we going to get it? There it is. Pandas, I mean S tier. S of S tiers here. Let's get it. S of S tiers here. In this trade. If we lose it, we lose it. So be it. But when you see an S of S tiers, you got to try, right, pandas? When you see an S of S tiers, you got to try. And there it goes. The S of S tiers reverses. Be huge damage. It could be just full-blown bull trend now. Right, the S of S tiers not working out here. This could be a full-blown reversal. But when you see an S of S tiers, you got to try, in my opinion. It is what it is, pandas. I'm not even mad about losing that. Fail second entry. It's a second entry short here. When the S of S tiers fails, it's hard for me to enter the same direction again. When the S of S tiers fail,
2,500 tick trap.
hard for me to enter the same direction again. When the S of S tiers fail. When the S of S tiers fail. Let's try. When the S of S tiers fail like that, pandas, I mean, I'm going to take the opposite. And if this fails, is this market has just lost its completely lost its mind. So for the candle to finish, I want one candle to finish here at least. Give me at least one good strong candle. One good strong candle, not even one good strong candle. Can we get one good strong candle, please? No good strong candle. Can reverse on me again here. Ah, darn. I want one good strong candle here. Just give me some buffer to let me come out break even, take my risk off. Give me a little bit of buffer to do it. Give me just a little bit of buffer to do it. It's not taking off when I thought it should. It's just not taking off. Right. It should have taken off already. I'm just so frustrating. So many it's untradeable. It's untradeable, this price action. S of S tier fails, reversing back up, reversing the other way. So sick. Now this is gonna push back down. I have no idea what's happening. Got completely overlapping bars on the 5-minute chart. So sick. The S of S tiers. I love that trade. I absolutely love it. This is hard to watch. This is hard to watch. S of S tiers failing. This is so unfortunate. Just wanted one more reversal before maybe blasting off here. This could blast off here at this point. Just not holding it. Not holding it after a candle like this. Not holding it after a failed trap like that. But I obviously had to have held it through multiple candles for me to take some profits on that trade. When the S of S tiers come up, I'm going in. I'm going in. I mean, it's 4 contracts. We're really hurting here on these accounts. So unfortunate. Like, I don't want to bust these accounts. I really don't want to bust them. But days like today, just unfortunate. It has to be another day like this. Another 5 minutes, 20 bajillion overlapping bars in a row. Again, like I just have to have held it for multiple bars for me to have taken advantage of this trade. But, you know, when it looks like this, it's just I can't do it. But the S tier of S tiers failing, this is the where the bulls come in. Right, that is this S tier of S tiers, and it is what it is. Coming up to the top of the triangle, just massively overlapping bars here on the 5-minute chart. Impossible to trade, in my opinion. It is what it is. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart, higher or low. That's all that was. All that nonsense. I don't know. I mean, once it reverses like this, I just can't hold it. I don't want to hold it. Such a high chance for this to fail when that reverses. Obviously, it works out this time, but it's just such a high chance when your trap reverses like that for it to fail. And I just thought we were going to get like ultimately chopped, and I just skunked it. So I took a small, the risk was very small for me. Risk was about 10 points, but I took 4 contracts. Very small risk, but potential reward was just amazing. So I take that trade 10 out of 10 times. Absolutely choppy here. It looks bullish though, right? The 2500 tick chart clearly above the 20-minute. It looks bullish to me. 5-minute has room to get to some resistances. Looks bullish, even though it's like technically down, but looks bullish to come up to some resistance levels that are clearly above it. This triangle making it hard just to go long here. Oh man, I'm just wondering why every single day for the last 3 weeks it looks like this. And so disappointed the fact that my trade copier didn't copy correctly, and now I'm in this situation. It is what it is. These are the challenges for my journey. For max payouts with 20 accounts. I should be going short here, to be honest. I should be going short here. You got 5 overlapping bars in a row like this. pandas. Ah, so frustrating, but what can you do? Yeah, I should just be going short there, right? Because coming back to the bottom of this discussing trading range. When you got 5 overlapping bars in a row, just assume it's going to continue. So difficult.
2500 tick trap.
Oh man, I mean, we went underneath this neckline again. That's just such a. I think I just thought it was such a good trade. Look at this. We're just going to the very end of this consolidation. So sick. All right, whatever. Whatever. At this point, I don't really care. All right, at least it makes it easy for me to cancel that.
$2,500 tick trap.
Every single day, pandas, this is what we're seeing. Non-stop chop. Don't chop till you get enough. Every single day, the last 3 weeks, this is all we've been seeing is just non-stop chop. Every single day. Every single day. Last 3 weeks. Non-stop chop. That's all we're seeing. We have yet to have a good day. Goodness gracious, man. It's like, what am I supposed to do here? What are we doing here right now, man? What is this? Why? Why? Just why? Goodness gracious, pandas. Why? Just why? I don't know. Just watching this, just do nothing for 1.5 hours. Five minutes, just ruthlessly choppy. Like disgustingly choppy. I don't know. I'll go short here and see what happens. Maybe get to the bottom here. Just a small scalp. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, Pandas. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to trade anymore. I don't know how to trade. It's just what kind of day is today? I don't know how to trade. I just totally forgot. Let's just, let's just pretend we're beginners. We never traded a day in our life. That's what it feels like right now. Goodness gracious, man. This is so stupid. It's actually so stupid. I mean, just look at this price action. So dumb. So dumb. So dumb. Pandas. Can you say I love the view? Can you say I love the view but take out the the? Say it without the the. I love the view and say it without the the. Oh, thanks. I love you too. Best pickup line. What am I actually doing today? What am I looking at right now? This is literally. It's actually so sad. On my free time, this is all I think about. The charts looking like this. This is all I think about, because it's been like this every single day. Yet I still don't know how to trade charts like this. It's so insane. It's not I don't know how to trade charts like this. It's that I can't trade charts like this. I don't have enough capital. I don't have enough margins. I just can't do it with the capital I have. You have to have huge margins, huge stops, able to scale in, but you can't do it on these accounts. You just can't do it. No clue, Pandas. Just watching this, doing absolutely nothing, just grinding all day, every single week. I could trade micros. I could try, but no one wants to waste their time. I'm going to trade micros after payouts, though. I think after payouts, I want to trade micros. So, I mean, I did get payouts. I can get them on 9 of them, but I want to get on all 20. And the idea is I want to get in on all 20. I want to get payouts on all 20. That's the whole point of a 20 account challenge. I don't want to get on 9 of them. I want to get on all 20. But the price action is so bad, Pandas. I can't do it. I cannot force it, and I just can't do it. It's just so bad. It's just like Pandas. So terrible. This price is so bad. No opportunities whatsoever. So painful. So painful. I'm gonna wait as long as it takes to wait. I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm gonna stare at this market with you guys. Let's look up best pickup lines while we wait. Let's ask ChatGPT. What are some good pickup lines?
5-minute trap.
Do you work on a chicken farm? If that works, on someone, that's your signal to run. That is your absolute signal to run and go the opposite
2500
direction.
trap.
Don't walk, run. Someone actually likes that pickup line. Do you have a name or can I call you mine? See, that only works if you're good looking. If you're like a kind of creepy looking person and you say that, that's the difference, right? For women. If you're good looking, it's flirting. If you're not good looking, it is called stalking harassment. Goodness gracious. Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. Whoa, that's like, that's cringy. That is cringe. That's making me cringe. That's giving me a. If you're ugly, it doesn't matter what you say. It just matters how big your wallet is. That's all that matters. Jeez. If you were a vegetable, you'd be a cucumber. What in the world? How does that act? That would never work ever. Wow, are you made of copper and tellurium? Because you are CUTE. Like you're just gonna confuse every single woman that you say that to, unless she's like a chemistry. She works in a lab with chemicals all day or something. Do you like Star Wars? Because Yoda won for me. That is just ChatGPT is not even trying. Are you Wi-Fi? Because I'm feeling a strong connection. Oh my. You know what? You know what, pandas?
5-minute trap.
It was a bad idea doing these pickup lines. Hey girl, are you a soda? Cause I don't think these are pickup lines. These are like rapey lines. All right, I'm pushing down. I guess I don't know. Still trading range. Guess I should be buying down here, as many did. Like, look at the 5 minute chart. Like, what? 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 What am I actually looking at here? All right, this is 1,000% gonna fail, but let's try. I do gotta go soon, so unfortunate. This is all we have. So ugly. Such a bad trade. What am I doing? What am I thinking? Such a terrible trade. What am I actually thinking here? What am I doing in my life? Worst trade of 2025. I just committed it.
Target filled.
I can't even get myself to do this trade. It's so bad. So bad. Such a bad trade. If it works, it works, but that is a really bad trade. Nothing going for it, pretty much. That's what I get for voting for Trump. I don't know how this is Trump's fault, but God bless America. I may have to end today with a 2K loss. We'll continue this journey on Tuesday with hopefully better price action than today. This is just so terrible. It's just like the worst possible price action you can imagine. It's actually kind of working out. I don't know. Maybe that was a good trade, but it's just a bomb diggity trade right there. Maybe it was a good trade. Maybe it was a trade I was looking for. I don't know. Are you made of bamboo? Because I'm totally stuck on you. I don't even get it, but okay. Appreciate the sense. I don't even get it. Are you saying? Is it coming from the viewpoint of a panda? Like a panda's talking to another panda? Because that's super meta. It's like ultra meta. If you're talking about pickup lines to another panda, I get it. That makes sense. Man, I don't know what to do here, pandas. What do I do here? I have no clue. What can I do here, pandas? What can I do here? Wow. Save some growth for the rest of us, truly. Lower high, but strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart, but I wouldn't be surprised if it gets bought up with limit orders. If it doesn't, then it's making its way back down to the bottom trading range. The 5-minute chart. If there's some follow through here, but then bottom of the trading range. But I wouldn't be surprised if it gets bought with limit orders here. I really wouldn't be surprised. Have a hard stop at 11. I didn't think today's going to be like this, but why wouldn't I think today's like this? Every day's been like this, so this is pretty much the norm. Goodness gracious, pandas. So painful, so difficult to trade this. So incredibly difficult to trade this. Making lower highs, lower lows. Just limit orders just can't make money today. You gotta somehow find a way with limit orders. Sorry, stop orders are not making money today. You gotta somehow make money with limit orders. Right? It's the most difficult thing to make money with limit orders. When it comes to trading. Amazingly, the worst trade in 2025 actually would have worked out for some decent profit here. More than 20 points. Okay. Fine by me. So frustrating. Such a terrible day of trading. I don't know why. Every single day is just like this. Every single day is like this. Every single day, pandas. Every single day. You just want one day where it's not like this. You know what I mean, pandas? Just one day. And I feel like the moment I stop trading, it's gonna like start trending, and it's gonna find a million opportunities. Just how it always goes. Broke this trend line that was pretty strong for a while. We're beneath the 20 MA on the 2500 tick. 500 tick also beneath the 20 MA. Just limit order market though. Hard stop at 11, Panda, sorry. Hard stop at 11 for me. Every single day, Pandas. Whew. Just can't handle it. Like, you just want one good day of trading. You just cannot find relief in this completely trash market. Just one day of relief. Can't get one good day of trading in this nonsense. Just one single day is all I need. I didn't have one single good day of trading, like PA. I've made money. I'm somehow miraculously profitable, but it's just ridiculous, Pandas. Just want one nice day of trading. Can we get it ever? Please, one time. The 5 minute, maybe coming back to the bottom of this trading range here. Maybe. It depends on how strong the limit order bulls are here right now. Depends on how strong they want to be, but I don't know. We're closing beneath it with some follow through now.
Target filled.
Goodness gracious, that was scary. What in the world was that? How does it do that? How does it manage to do that, Pandas? Alright, so we can find some sort of, I thought that would be confirmation of the downtrend, but nothing of the sort. Come up, break even. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Tuesday. Remember, well, is it Memorial Day this weekend? Memorial Day 2025. Yep, it's on Monday. So I'll see you guys bright and early on Tuesday. Have a great long weekend. Pandas, unfortunately, we couldn't make the max payouts. I really wanted it. So many bad things happened, but today, it's just not the day to trade. Look at this price action. It's just not going to be the day we're going to make it. And it's unfortunate. It is what it is. But Pandas, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. And surely we will get it then. In the meantime, I'll make payouts on the other 9 accounts that are at max payouts. Hopefully the other 11 can catch up. Pandas! That's the state we're in. And that's how it's going to be. And we're going to get it. We're going to be patient here, Pandas. We're going to get it, though. Pandas, with that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye!